Underwater microphones are usually used to pick up sounds from the bottom of the ocean, and they are very accurate. However, these can also pick up mysterious noises, and the major disadvantage of not having a camera on there is that if there's a mysterious noise, whatever it is hiding behind a microphone instead of being shown. Let's take a listen to some mysterious sounds that have been recorded, and one that has been solved yet is still equally fascinating. The bloop was a mysterious sound picked up in 1997 in the southern Pacific Ocean by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. For this video, I'll just refer to it as NOAA. The sound is often mistaken for a big animal, and I think it probably is. However, scientists recently have concluded that it was sliding icebergs that scrape along the bottom of the ocean. Let's take a listen and see if there's still a bit of mystery behind this sound. Julia was a sound recorded in 1999 by, once again, NOAA. This sound, it sounds a little quieter and is not as mysterious. Most scientists still believe that it's an iceberg that ran aground off the coast of Antarctica. Let's take a listen. During training in 1984, diver Charles Braggett reported hearing someone saying, "Out." He got out of the water and everyone told him that they didn't make the noise. The only thing in the tank was a beluga whale named Nock, who was being trained to recover torpedoes. Divers then reported hearing screaming children underwater, and so finally a microphone was put down in order to record Nock, and this is what they found. When a U.S. Navy submarine was patrolling in international waters near Australia and Antarctica, it noticed on its radar what looked like little blinks heading rapidly towards them. They braced for impact, thinking that the Soviets were trying to torpedo their submarine. However, it didn't attack it. The sound is recorded frequently near Australia, and it was recently found to be caused by an Antarctic minke whale. However, it definitely doesn't sound like any whale I've heard of.